This is the new Realme X7 Pro, the new mid-ranger by Realme, and it packs some really good specs. Coming to the unpacking experience, it comes with a charger that supports whopping 65 watt power, a manual, a transparent case and a Type-C cable. In terms of design, the phone comes with a glass sandwich body which is quite popular nowadays, but this thing also comes with a gradient touch and the texture has been well polished, which makes it good to touch. Dare to leap, the company mentioned their tagline along with the logo, and that is looking very strange. The phone features a 6.55-inch Super AMOLED display that offers full HD+ resolution. There's a 20:9 aspect ratio, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and the phone offers a whopping screen-to-body ratio of 91.6%. So it provides an amazing gaming experience. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes it in line with current trend, and the sampling rate is now at 240Hz. There's a punch hole selfie cutout for housing a 32-megapixel selfie snapper. It also comes with stereo speakers with Dolby audio support and high resolution audio. The haptic motor is also looking improved than previous Gen Realme phones, and I really liked it. In terms of hardware, the phone gets the chip from MediaTek, which is Dimensity 1000 Plus, and it is indeed a very good processor. After conducting few benchmarks, we found that this phone is really capable and it is around 50% more powerful than all the mid-range chips by Qualcomm. The processor is paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage. No complaints for gaming, this device is indeed capable to handle every game with no lags and frame drops, and a higher refresh rate makes it more impressive to play games. And you're also getting a 4500 mAh of battery here, which ensures a long-lasting gaming experience. Not to forget about 65 watt charging too. In terms of camera, the phone offers a 64 megapixel IMX686 sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle snapper, a 2 megapixel portrait sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. That being said, this is it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed, and hit the sub button if you haven't already. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.